Chicken stock. Nourishing benefits of chicken stock for wellness. Protein. Chicken stock contains protein derived from the chicken bones and meat used to make it, essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Hydration. Chicken stock provides hydration, especially when consumed as a warm beverage. Hydration is essential for digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Gelatin. Chicken stock contains gelatin, a protein derived from collagen found in bones, tendon, and ligaments. It supports joint health, skin elasticity, and gut integrity. Gut health. The gelatin and amino acids present in chicken stock support digestive health by soothing and healing the gut lining. Immune support. Chicken stock is used as a remedy for colds and flu due to its comforting properties. It helps soothe sore throat. Easy absorption. The nutrients in chicken stock are in a form that is easy for the body to absorb, making it a beneficial addition to the diet, especially for individuals with compromised digestion. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.